Hey guys, welcome back for some more Animal Crossing New Horizons. Today's a special day because it's my husband Tom's birthday. Happy birthday!
Thank you very much.
So I thought instead of visiting my island, we would have Tom log in on his for his birthday party.
And I have absolutely no idea what she's done to it, so this should be fun.
I haven't done anything to your island. There might be a present inside of your house. And like all the DIYs I littered your island with, that was like a month ago.
Oh, so they're not there anymore?
No, they're still there. That's future Tom's problem.
Oh, okay, good.
But yeah, no, that's your problem.
Me.
And there's some flowers on your beach, but not that many.
We'll see. Oh, look, it's Isabel.
Hi, Isabel. Look, what do you think she's drinking? Long Island iced tea?
Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary. Okay, there's no
Without
celery.
the celery.
She already ate it.
Yep.
Okay.
So I guess I should hit A.
Yeah, do you remember how to play?
Vaguely. Oh yeah, my second island named Hangrier.
Yeah, I liked Hangry better.
It works.
Superstar Tom.
Damn right.
Happy birthday!
Oh, thanks, Isabel.
I want a cocktail too. Thanks, Isabel.
Alright, so I guess when I walk out of my house, I'm gonna get mobbed.
Yeah, and you were in a special birthday outfit.
Oh, what the hell did you do to me?
Yo, Tom, drop what you're doing and come with me. Come on, it'll be fun. I put you in a dapper little...
I do look good.
Yeah, I didn't have quite the right hat.
Red might not do it, but...
I had limited color choices. Here at Sherry's house. She used to be on my old island.
Very cool. Oh no, a surprise party for me! Oh,
That's almost all your villagers. I think you only have 4 or 5.
You know I don't like crowds.
We heard it was your birthday and got a party going, Cheeky. Aw, blow out those candles. I don't really need to read that. I don't know why I am. Cute. You got Spork.
Oh hey, yeah, I love my stoned eyes.
Yeah, I know. I commented on those when I did a video earlier. Aww. I love the little piggy. Happy birthday. Sherry's so
Big
cute.
Sherry.
She's adorable. I'm sorry I didn't give you your gift with that kind of flourish.
Yeah, me too.
Ta-da! Check it out.
Oh,
Pinata.
cool, something for me to beat up.
Hope you can knock it down.
I don't think I was able to do it very easily last year, so let's see what happens.
And you're even older now. You're weaker.
Yeah, okay.
Did any of your coworkers have a special gift delivered to you that you really appreciated this year?
Yeah, I appreciated the bottle of whiskey, not so much the pack of Depends.
Yeah, at least you weren't the one who had to greet the person delivering the pack of Depends.
That's funny.
That was embarrassing, but hilarious. You gotta just walk up to the, don't grab,
Oh,
just,
okay.
sorry we were talking while she was explaining it. Oh, I think you have to tell her you're ready. Sorry. I was distracting you.
Such a distraction.
I can't remember your frog's name. I think it's Frobert or something like that.
I call them sunglasses.
Yeah. Go!
Yay!
Rock that thing. Batter up. I'll just do that voice. This is not a way to treat cupcakes.
Yay!
Way to wail on that pinata and check out all the birthday cupcakes that came out, Cheeky. Now you can run around your island too and hand them out to your villagers. And they'll give you a gift, I think.
More than 3?
Yeah, because you also have Celia, the eagle. And I can't remember who else. You might only have 4. But I forgot about that, so if you want to do that, you could.
You can't give them to them all. So
No. In other words, this video is only 5 minutes long.
Bye, Sherry. Thanks for the party. Love my eyes.
I'm just sorry I didn't have a top hat to give you. Birthday to me. It's always nice getting to celebrate with good cake and good friends.
Happy birthday to me.
Yep, that's... So yeah, there's a few DIYs.
Here I go hitting the wrong button again.
I do it all the time, and I play every day almost, so... Oh yeah, and you've never talked to Harv. Harv's on your island.
He's a god stuff.
Yeah. Well, my island was getting cluttered.
I did not decorate this.
No.
Nobody's home there, right?
Yeah, no, they're home. The lights on the curtains. Yeah, you can.
Oh, curtains open.
Yeah, and you can also tell if there's smoke coming out the chimney, but you can't see it from the front. Oops. Oh my. Oh yeah, you have Maddie. That's her name.
There's 2 of them. Hey, Robert. This one's Robert.
Yeah, he's cute. Oh, I hope he doesn't take all of them. No, I don't think he... No, he won't. He won't. I'm sorry. I was confusing myself with a mistake I made in the past.
The pigs don't go in pockets. They get eaten.
Oh, that's nice. Except Maddie sat down, so that's annoying. You can't give gifts when they're seated.
I can't.
No.
Oh, get up.
You won't. You can leave and come back in, or just try later. I don't know how many cupcakes you have left to give out.
5.
Oh. My first year, I didn't get enough cupcakes to give to everybody. It was really annoying. So you can see what...
Let's try it.
Okay. I know she's grooming and it's obnoxious, but if you pet her while she's grooming, she's going to start purring, and then it's even louder.
Yes, but I need 2 hands on the control. Oh,
No.
hey, look at that.
Yeah, that's why I mean don't pet her. She'll just get louder.
He's gonna go sit down again.
Yeah. I forgot Maddie. She's so cute. I had her too once. Oh, you got presents to open when you're done?
You're welcome, Maddie. Enjoy. Now put them in their pockets. You're supposed to be eating.
You know, they're going to smear the frosting.
I don't give a damn, Robin. Okay.
Excuse me.
You're excused.
Do you even remember your island layout? It's been a long time.
Kinda.
I was on your island with you at home on Festival. I think the last time you actually played was for Halloween. I had to get a mirror or find a mirror in your storage so I could take your makeup off. Oh, and you've got the Able Sisters kit to put down too if you want to do that somewhere.
Well, maybe I will.
There's Sherry's house.
So no, I just walked past the bunny spot. Oh well.
I just dig mine up. I don't even bother anymore. You're here an awful lot today, Cheeky.
Jeez.
I think I said that to you the other night.
You did. That's what I get for taking vacation.
Yeah, but I was just quoting Sheldon Cooper from Big Bang Theory, so that was adorable. I was just being cute, not rude.
fine line. That's right. Give me all the presents.
I know, I can't wait to see what they all gave you.
Speaking of which, ribs are smelling good.
I know, they do smell good. I made his traditional birthday dinner.
Ribs and cheesecake.
Yeah.
Yeah, put a bridge there. How about that?
Oh yeah, I caught a flea off of one of your villagers the other day and just set it there. And I have a tarantula in your storage, and there might be something else in your storage for you to turn in eventually.
My villagers have fleas?
Yes,
Ew.
ew.
Let's get them off the island.
Or just, get rid of their fleas.
I don't remember which button is sprint.
Oh gosh, I let my switch close down. Hold on, I gotta open my ear cord again. I'd actually be holding it to know. I think you have to hold, is it B?
I don't know.
Hey, your friend Moxie's online.
Who's watching?
Rude.
I am. I really am. Let's go find a tarantula.
It's in storage. And happy birthday?
Oh God, what did you do to my house? Holy jeez!
I just decorated the rooms a little bit.
That is one creepy doll.
You're welcome. I made sure she was front and center.
Oh Lord.
And I also like the pink and white motif. I say save the attic for last.
Hey, my Rey Mysterio statue. Tell me that doesn't look like Rey Mysterio.
Booyaka.
There you go.
Sorry, it took me a while. We haven't watched wrestling in a bit.
I know. Cute puppy.
Yeah. Now this room, I didn't do as much to it. The one to the right.
This one here?
That's the one when I was playing on your island. You were in the room, but not watching when I got all the festival stuff. I just plunked it in here. I didn't do anything fancy.
Wow.
But now you have all the festival items. I forgot to get you some fireworks wallpaper.
What the ever-loving... Wow.
It's a float.
Got it.
You got a drum and a confetti machine. Eventually, if you play and unlock all the different characters on Harv's Island, you can customize them so they're all the same color. You're talented.
I am.
You should be in a band.
Good. What you do with the rest of my house?
I don't know. Oh, you have to go around the other. Okay, that works
too. I remember how to push things.
Happy prom!
Alrighty then. What the hell are those things dancing on the shelves?
Gyroids. I had to bring them in because you have no records for me to register. So there was no music, so I brought in gyroids.
It's creepy.
I love them. That one looks like a bomb. I like... They're making their own song for you. I couldn't decide if this room was better lights on or lights off, so I left it on so you could see the bubbles. I think it looks better with the lights off because the wallpaper glows.
I don't remember how to turn the lights off.
But the D-pad.
Got it. The blue looks better.
Yeah, the blue's good, or off is good too. But yeah, you can't really notice the disco ball either with the lights off. I just wanted you to see the wallpaper glowing.
Very cool.
So yeah.
That's a better color.
Yeah, I agree. And you just have a fancy tea table. I kind of ran out of inspiration and ideas. I forgot to get balloons. I was going to bring balloons. But yeah, you need to get some records.
Whoops.
You were going to start spinning.
Yes, I was going to start.
Again, you're really talented. That was just on the other night. Do you like your big ice bear?
Yes.
Oh, you're going to love this room.
Oh, God.
This will be your favorite.
Afraid. Very afraid.
Oh, you should see if you have mail.
Oh my god, the Easter Bunny just threw up all over this room.
Yes. You should see if you have mail from the Happy Home Paradise to see if they like your house decoration.
Oh my lord.
I bet it scores higher than mine.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's disgustingly
It's adorable.
pastel.
Yes, it's adorable. Aren't you glad you don't have to decorate now?
Gotta get out of that room.
Okay, maybe you'll like the basement better.
Did you dungeon it up for me?
No. It went a different route. I just thought there were some cool toys you'd like.
Nice.
You'd like
Yeah.
the- I forgot to pull that out from the wall a little bit, the big old bulldozer. Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
That's an excavator.
Sorry, excuse me. I forgot to pull the excavator out.
Yeah, it can stay there.
Yeah. You got a porta potty and a steamroller and a jackhammer. I know, too bad you can't use it.
I know.
That'd be handy. If you eat too much fruit, have one of those out on your island. Just go poop it out.
Looks like I got a bunch of equipment down here building a secret lair for, supervillain or something.
Doing something.
Awesome.
I had fun ordering it.
You spent my money on this?
No, I spent my money and my Nick Miles.
Okay,
And even your money. I'm the one who sold your turnips.
good point. You probably bought most of them too.
Yeah, I spent your hard-earned bells.
Alright, now do I even want to ask what you did upstairs?
I was kind. I was gonna go creepy doll summoning circle with gnomes, and I didn't.
That actually would have been cool.
I know, but you've seen it.
Hey,
Yeah.
you made a camping room for me.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I thought you'd like that. I thought you deserved one room you might like. Just one.
Just, that's really cool. I do like that.
Oh, good.
I'll be staying up here, and the rest of my house is yours.
I thought about making a character on your account to have her move into your island too, but I didn't. I thought that might be taking things too far. I don't know what else you might want to do. I don't know if there's anything you want to do on
What?
your island, or if you want, you could come to my island for a coffee date.
Well, you told me to go check my mail, so I'm.
Oh
gonna
yeah, I
check
want
my
to see
mail.
what the Happy Home Paradise people liked your
If
your design.
If I would quit accidentally going to other portions.
I know, I do
of the
that
house.
all the time. Hey, at least none of your villagers knocked on the door asking to visit.
I would have told them no.
You don't get that option.
Well, it's not right. Okay, so let's take a look at the latest Happy Cat.
Yeah, that one has a gift. Fancy. Oh, 120, not bad.
Ranked S, what's that?
I don't know. I think it only goes up to S.
Oh, okay.
But they liked your home. You got 10,000 points or more.
Beautiful.
So nice.
What Mom get me?
Aw, Mom. I read a thing I kind of liked in one of my groups I belong to about Bunny Day. Figured since our mom's always sending us gifts and everything, maybe it's our dad in the Zipper T Bunny costume.
Okay.
Everybody's always trying to figure out who's in the costume. I haven't gotten that yet for my birthday. Can't put it there. There's stuff on the ground.
Well,
Somebody messed up your island.
I would turn it around.
You have to grab it. Flip it. Yeah. Yeah, just like that. There you go. That's cute.
Hey, it says happy birthday. Who'd have thought?
I've had 2 birthdays in game and I have yet to get that as a gift.
Ha 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 ha.
I'm gonna come take it. I don't want it.
Lies. Essay sad. Red essays.
Rain hat. Why is this not the birthday hat?
Hidden
They didn't give you...
jacket.
That's so funny. Usually you get, like, the glasses. Yeah, that's the one from Mom. Cake.
Cool. Wow.
And you're welcome.
Oh yeah, I forgot I had Harvey here.
Yeah, he's been waiting a long time.
Harvey?
He's been waiting like 6 months for you to talk to him. And at least I talked to all of your villagers the other day, so they're not wondering why you're snubbing them anymore.
Harvey talks a lot.
Yes. Oh my god, you haven't even done the exercise thing or any of the new stuff.
No, I have not.
I know you've talked, you had the email or the mail and talked to Lottie in the airport about the Happy Home stuff because you had the picture in your house. I put it in your storage.
Cool story.
I can't believe you talked to him again.
Thought maybe I could give him a cupcake. I guess not.
No, it's only for your villagers.
He's on my island. He's my villager.
Well, now he's gonna go away because you finally talked to him. He's like, man, I've been waiting to go home for 6 months.
Oh, damn hippie. Could have at least, given me a little something, something.
I wonder if I have his amiibo. I just got a whole new stack of amiibos. I don't think he's in it, but maybe. I'd like to do a hippie little house for him. Yeah.
Grass. Damn, what's
A
it?
grass standee. It's like a cutout. Remember, there's a dinosaur one, and there's a grass and a mountain one. It's just like little cutouts painted. They're kind of cute.
Sure, I'll learn. Why not? I'll probably never make one, but hey.
Yeah.
Have you at least been keeping the weeds down on my island while I've been gone?
No, you didn't have that many when I was running around. I don't think I picked them though, but it wasn't really that bad.
Because you know I hate
Mm-hmm. Aw. She's cute too. I like
Yeah.
all the normals. They're sweet.
not really crazy about the Seahawks green, but
Oh, yeah, that would be an issue.
yes, I hit all kinds of wrong buttons.
Yeah, those are a lot of new reactions you don't know it was from Festival. Or you don't recognize. Your character knows them. I'm wondering if I feel like usually they give you birthday themed gifts, but maybe I'm just remembering wrong. Or it depends on your friendship level. Oh, I forgot you like doing that.
What the shit?
I know.
I'm not talking to Hippie again.
No. Spork. Well, you can open the map with the trigger. Oh no. I know, I always say the wrong thing. Left bumper, sorry. I don't know what you call them. The doohickey on the left, the big doohickey. On the back. And then you can go to your map. It shows you where they live. Thick Spork, yeah.
So,
You have 5 whole residents.
Spork and Maddie, I seen it.
No, but you saw Maddie at
Oh, yeah,
Robert's
yeah.
house.
So sports the only one.
Yeah. So you could go give him a cupcake. If you want to go. Okay.
All right, I'm not doing what I want.
You're right. When you're right, you're
I'm
right.
not talking to him.
Yeah.
See,
That's right. I forgot you have a room there to go around. Sorry.
Uh-huh.
I know.
I'd forgotten I was just running because you told me to go somewhere else.
I thought your cliff went further. Oh, he sat down. Gotta be quicker than that.
I guess so.
Oh, you almost had it.
You made him do that, didn't you?
Uh-huh. I willed it. Can you get him before he plops? Oh, no, you can't. I knew you were going to. He's too close to the bench.
I hate him.
Yes, he's gonna be turned into cracklings soon. Oh God, what are you trying to get stung?
Yes!
Come to my island for a coffee date.
Oh, all right.
I think my thing's open.
You opened it before we
Yeah, I know.
did whatever it is we had to do. Got this.
Up to Harv again.
Get out of the way, hippie.
What are you doing?
Gotta get the tarantula.
Oh, you might have another bug in your storage. I don't think I'm the one who put it there.
How do I access storage again?
Hit the right here, on the D-pad. On the D-pad on the left hand.
Got it.
Yeah. Oh gosh, she woke the cat up again. She's being a good girl today. Yeah, I think those are all things to be. I don't know if your spider and wasp are to be donated or not.
I don't know. I don't even remember putting them there.
I don't remember if I put them there or if they were on the floor in your room and I put them there. I can't remember. I think you might have put them in there to hold them. I'm not sure.
Possibly.
You mean, excuse me?
I said what I meant.
I said what I said.
Wake up, owl boy.
He's gonna love what you're giving him.
I know.
Well, at least it's a bunch at one time, so he won't really react.
Angela. Lee.
What a fun museum you have.
I know, right?
Splendid.
No, I'm good. Alrighty then.
As soon as you donate one of each type of item, fossil, art, fish, bug, sea creature, he'll then send you off to go find Brewster. I think you have to have you might have to have a 3-star island before all of that too.
Brewster.
You're gonna meet Brewster on my island. He runs the roost where we're gonna have our coffee date.
Oh. It's not a meet and greet, it's just a coffee date.
Yes. And online play. I didn't try local because that almost never works.
I won't fly.
Oh yeah, you can go to work. Cool. I thought you had done that
I'm
much.
on vacation. I'm not going to work. It's
Yeah. No. Online, yeah. Sorry.
I didn't.
I know there's
Look at
there's
anything.
a sound lag. I was looking at the computer monitor and it made the noise. I'm sorry. I know. There was a little lag.
Yes, dear.
Search, yeah. For a friend. I'm your friend.
Who says?
Hey.
You're my best friend. Turtle time.
Uh-huh.
Let's fly.
Oh, I didn't run around and pick any weeds or anything. I hope my island's not a mess.
I see weeds. I'm leaving.
That's one way, by the way, not weeds, but if you have cockroaches in your house, which sadly I killed all of yours, your villagers, if they come to visit you, they'll just be like, ugh, you have cockroaches, I'm leaving.
How did I get cockroaches?
You haven't played in 6 months. If you're not there, they infest your house.
Why would they do that when I don't have any food in there? Oh wait, you put food in there.
Here's, yeah, tea.
So you're
Tea
the reason I have
sandwiches.
cockroaches.
No, they were there pre-food.
Oh, you put food in with the cockroaches.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm so well manicured.
Oh, thank you. Here's Dom. I have his amiibo now if you want Dom. He's cute.
Someone looks excited.
I know, I'm very excited. I put on a little pink party dress and everything.
Woo!
I haven't done a coffee date before, so this will be fun.
Oh, it's a date, an actual thing, and not just two of us going to the coffee.
No,
house?
I'm calling it a coffee date because that's easier to say than, hey, let's go the two of us and get a cup of coffee. I haven't had anybody else on my island to share coffee with.
What's up, girl?
Oh, it's weird. Okay, I gotta look down at my Switch or I'm gonna get dizzy. This is my island.
You gonna make me chase you?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna stop here first.
Cool.
Because I'm feeling it. See, if you have gyroids, they, there you go, you're feeling it. They'll dance and make noises to the music.
Cool.
This spot on my island gets a little laggy, though.
I dance better than that.
Yeah, you do. You got the moves. So, gotta run through this. I don't know what to do here, so there's paintings.
Cool. Outdoor art gallery.
Oh, I was just showing you that.
Awesome.
I ran into the wall because I was looking at the monitor, not my Switch. Oh, it'll take you a second. There you go.
Oh, there it goes.
And then up the stairs to the left. I just ran over the railing, it looked like.
Oh, so this is part of the museum.
Yeah. This was added with the latest update. I think if we just both take a seat, this booth. Oop.
Whoa. That was weird.
I think Brewster then will take our order or something.
Yo, Chief, coffee.
How will you be paying? Oh, you're covering it?
Yep.
Oh yeah, thank you.
I'm a gentleman.
If you don't have the money to pay, he just brings you a cup of water. He brings everybody else coffee, I think, and you just get water. Thanks for waiting. Your drinks are ready. It's so cute. The flavor of the turtle time roast is warming my soul.
Alrighty then. Who?
That's Brewster. I even have a Brewster gyroid now.
Very cool.
So that's basically it.
Very cool.
I could probably let you off the hook now if you want to be done celebrating your birthday in Animal Crossing.
Bye, everybody. I'm gonna go have ice cream.
Bye, guys. Thanks so much for coming along on my husband's birthday celebration tour. See you on the next one. Take care.